Patterns don't work 100% of the time, but they are still critical because they help you define your risk. If you ignore patterns and focus on hunches, feelings, and hot tips, just forget about achieving consistency. So today we'll be focusing on breaking down DXY and EURJPY. Without any further waste of time, let us dive into it. First things first, we look at our daily time frame. At our daily time frame, what do we want to see? We want to see our psychological levels. So looking at DXY, we can see that we are overall coming from a downtrend. Why am I saying we are coming from a downtrend? Because we are having a series of lower lows and lower highs. That's what makes up a downtrend. From there, we want to mark our significant levels. And then we mark any of our support and resistance looking at our daily time frame. We can see we have an important level right here, which already price is breaking. Let us move on to our 4-hourly time frame. Moving on to our 4-hourly time frame, what can we see? We can see that DXY has been consolidating or ranging in the same place for quite some time till it has broke out this equal highs and equal lows right here. So we weren't going to be able to trade this kind of market because it's just ranging. At all times we want to see either an uptrend or a downtrend. So in this case, what are my predictions when it comes to DXY continuation? Let me first mark my other significant levels I can see. So right here, what am I looking forward to see? I'm looking forward to see DXY as it has broken, coming till this level right here, or even breaking it a bit, faking out, and then a correction that will act as a retest to the downside before we even have a continuation to the upside. Correction. Then we continue pushing to the upside. Let us use our fib to check. If we're using our fib, we will see that we are approaching our level 50. At the same time, we can't ignore this level right here that once acted as our support and also our resistance, which is a strong level. Let us now move on to EURJPY. But before we even do that, some of you guys have been asking me this question on where do I find financial news and fundamental analysis. Well, we stay informed about the trading world's latest news and access the economic calendar through one of the most amazing and useful websites, Fastball. This website offers one of the most accurate and detailed economic calendars, allowing users to monitor key economic events that can impact the market. You can get news in the Fastball website for different countries with their different currencies. And don't forget that you can also filter out the best news you want to see in this particular website. So to do so, you simply press here on screen, and then you can now select the countries you want to see and their news. For example, if you want to select under Africa, you'll select maybe South Africa, that you want to see news for South Africa. Going back to North America, you want to select the United States dollar, you want to select the Canadian dollar. That's how you select, and also you can still unselect whichever you don't want to see. So if you would like to benefit from 24/7 global news live streaming, you should click on the link on my description to get access to everything. Let us go back to EURJPY. To EURJPY, we will start again from our daily time frame. What do we want to mark? We want to mark our highest levels and lowest levels. I'll mark this as my lowest level right here, since price is far away from reaching this other levels right here. And I'll mark this as my zone to cater for my resistance and support right here, marking it as my zone. From here, I'll then mark my trends. After marking my trends, we'll move on to our 4-hourly time frame. Looking at our 4-hourly time frame, what can we say? We can say that we are in an overall uptrend. In us being an overall uptrend, we are seeing high highs and high low. So which is our impulse move in our uptrend? Our impulse move is our buys, our corrective move is our sells. Our impulse move is our buy, corrective move is our sell. is our sales. It's what price has been doing ever since. As you can see that even here, it's still correcting towards the downside. We are seeing also a small downtrend inside our overall uptrend. In order for us to draw our trends accurately, let us move on to our 2-hourly time frame. Moving on to our 2-hourly time frame right now, we can see, or now we can draw our trend. We'll give this a twin sister. Catering for most touches, what can we already see? We can already see that price has broke out impulsively and is now retesting our trend, our small trend inside our bigger trend, which is an uptrend. And that being said, let's take our fib in order to measure where price has higher chances in retesting. Taking our fib and not just focusing on our fib, on our level 50, but focusing on the relationship it has to price action, we can see that we have this level right here acting as our support. So price has higher chances in tapping into it, as it has already tapped right here. And then from here, what are we looking forward to seeing? We're looking forward for price to reverse and go to the upside, not also leaving out that we are seeing an inverse head and shoulder type of pattern forming right here. Therefore, let us mark other significant levels I can see. I can see this level right here, and then lastly this level right here. What am I expecting price to do? I'm expecting price to shoot up, breaking our inverse head and shoulders neckline. Our entry will be right here. One thing about price, it'll still come back here. It is a Monday today, but definitely on a Tuesday, this is how price will be playing out. Stop loss not too tight. We're giving price a little bit of space to breathe, targeting this resistance right here, which is a risk reward ratio of 1:4. Nonetheless, hoping you enjoyed this session, and give me your opinions under the comment section. And also don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and share my videos as much as possible, as it is just free information to you guys. Peace out.